Example 1, finding measures of arcs. Find the measure of each arc of circle R. A, MN. So if we know angle NRM, that is a central angle, and we know that the measures of the arc equals a measure of their central angle. So we know that if angle NRM is 80, then arc MN is also 80 degrees. Next, we are looking for the measure of arc MPN. So we start with M, then we go to P, and then we stop at N. Now we know that NRP is a diameter, so we know that that whole top half is going to have to be 180 degrees. We know the bottom half is also 180 degrees, like this whole piece here all together. But we really only have to find this missing section here, which would be 180 degrees minus 80, which is 100 degrees. So to find that entire arc, we just take 180 plus 100 to get 280 degrees for this entire arc from M to P to N. 280 degrees. And then the last arc we need to find is PMN. PMN. And we already talked about the fact that this section of our circle is basically half of the circle. It's a semicircle. So that is 180 degrees.